Hello, I am Simon Jenkins, Corporate Head of Service Delivery, and I have responsibility for the strategic aim, Our People. This aim looks to ensure our staff have the knowledge and skills they need to safely deliver and develop our services, as well as ensuring they have the right capabilities for the future and are representative of the communities they serve. During 2020-2021, we will focus on the following areas: improve the diversity of our workforce to be more representative of the communities we serve, and inspire co-production, the involvement of all. By choosing these two areas to focus our attention for the 2020-21 year, we hope that it will further improve effectiveness in the service and ensure that our workforce is equipped with the necessary tools and skills needed to serve our communities. We would like to hear your valued feedback on our draft strategic aims and improvement and well-being objectives. For further information, please visit our website www.mawwfire.gov.uk.